We'll guide you through how to make blur photos in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the photo from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing tools and adjustment options. When the Develop module is open the masking tool to create a specific editing area on the photo. After opening the masking tool, select the background area that you want to blur. Create a mask around the selected area to separate the background from the main subject of the photo. Adjust the mask position and size until it covers the correct background area that you want to edit. After creating the mask, reduce the texture slider to remove small details and make the background appear softer. Next, reduce the clarity slider to lower the contrast and create a smoother blur effect on the selected area. After adjusting the clarity, reduce the sharpness slider to decrease the image detail and strengthen the blurred appearance. Continue by adjusting the feather slider to create a smoother transition between the blurred background and the rest of the photo. Modify the feather amount until the edges of the mask blend naturally with the surrounding areas. Compare the edited photo with the original image and make sure the background blur looks correct and matches the desired result. If needed, make additional adjustments to the mask, texture, clarity, sharpness, or feather settings to improve the effect. Continue refining the settings until the blur effect appears natural and balanced. Once all editing adjustments are complete, save the edited photo to keep the changes applied.